Hello everyone, I am Fiona. This video we will show you the main feature of vertical EPS block molding machine from a quality perspective, explaining the following aspects in detail. Coefficient of expansion pressure sensor. Our EPS block molding machine uses a coefficient of expansion pressure sensor for data control, detecting through the sensor whether the door can be opened for EPS block demold, achieving high automation. This not only stabilizes EPS block production, but also effectively prevents the occurrence of waste EPS block and burst EPS block, improving product quality. Special material sealing. The EPS block molding machine uses polytetrafluoroethylene, Teflon or PTFE for sealing. Polytetrafluoroethylene, commonly known as the king of plastics, is a high-polymer compound polymerized from tetrafluoroethylene, with the following advantages: excellent chemical stability and corrosion resistance, efficient sealing and non-stickiness, excellent electrical insulation and anti-aging ability. This material will expand when heated, thereby enhancing the sealing effect. Eccentric steam inlet valve. The main steam inlet butterfly valve of the EPS block molding machine adopts a double offset metal seal design, which is applied on all sides, front, back, up, and down. This design has the following advantages: improve sealing performance, achieve efficient and stable operation, reduce steam loss, ensure the valve can fully open and close, improve the quality of the foam board, extend the service life of the valve, 3 to 5 times that of ordinary valves, reduce the workload of valve seal ring replacement and maintenance. Overall structure. Our equipment is made of square tubes from Wuxi, Jiangsu, greatly improving the rigidity of the EPS block molding machine. All templates undergo treatment in the gantry machining center, followed by high-temperature annealing to ensure stability and anti-deformation. Finally, the equipment undergoes sandblasting and painting processes, and then overall assembly, greatly extending its service life and ensuring long-term stable operation of the equipment. Hydraulic system. The hydraulic system adopts a high-speed, high-pressure design scheme, and the door opening and closing speed is 8 seconds faster than conventional machines. The rear side of the EPS block molding machine is equipped with 4 sets of EPS ejector to ensure the EPS block is not damaged during push-out by ejection. Driven by the ejection cylinder, there are 3 sets of diversion and collection valves on the rear side of the machine to ensure all ejector pans work synchronously. All oil seals are made of high-temperature resistant materials, further improving the stability of the EPS block molding machine. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.